Let's say you've got a client with a difficult hairline like this. What do? Well, keep watching and I'll show you how to approach this. So first, start out on the sides to create reference points. I like to make the arches and then the vertical bars because it helps me see how to connect the front. So as you can see, I'm keeping everything as natural as I can, but I'm still taking off enough hair to get it sharp. So I'm using the corner of the blade like a pencil, and even with the beard, I'm keeping everything as high as I can, only taking off the minimal amount of hair. And it's also good to make sure that you have your trimmer set properly. Not too sharp, but you want just the slightest gap in between the cutting blade and the steel blade. That way you get a crisp line without irritating the skin. And it's also about having good control and maneuverability with your trimmer. So you want to get really comfortable with your tools and then repeat the same thing on this side. Creating that arch using the corner of the blade once again. So you don't have to go digging into a hairline. You can take off the minimal amount of hair and still get a sharp edge up. You just have to make sure that the skin is clean also and free of any product buildup or oil. Okay, so now the moment that you all have been waiting for. How do I attack the front? Okay, so what you want to do is start at the lowest point where the hair grows. I like to start in the middle and work my way to one side. It doesn't matter if it's right or left, just start at the lowest point where the hair grows and gradually begin to take hair off. Okay, so now I have a starting point and I'm going to work to this right side. Now I'm really going to work on getting these corners as sharp as I can. So that's the key. You want to get the corners really sharp because it will give the illusion that the hair that's light is darker than it actually is. And make sure you comb after every few strokes with the trimmer. Comb the hair back down to make sure that you get all the fly hairs. So now that you have one side, you want to keep making adjustments. And I'm going to gradually begin working the way to that left side. Now, I will admit to you guys, this is not as easy as it looks. You really have to think this out, and you have to see the hairline before you actually do it. You have to envision how you want the hairline to look. So as you can see, I'm not digging. All I'm doing is going straight across, and I'm putting the emphasis on that corner. So when you get someone in your chair like this, don't let it intimidate you. It's all about the approach. See how that corner made everything look more sharp? And then now I just step back and analyze my work, and then you continue to make adjustments. So the first pass is never going to be perfect. You just have to keep going back and just taking off small hairs just until you get the line as symmetrical as you can. And that's all I'm doing here, is just making those necessary adjustments. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below what other videos you guys want to see, and I will see you all on the next video.